Hello, everyone. I am Councilwoman Celeste Roscoe, and I am hoping to earn your vote and your support in my re-election campaign as I run for Romulus City Council. Now, you might be wondering or asking yourself why you should vote for me. Well, let me tell you. You should vote for me because I'm a longtime resident of Romulus, a lifelong Michigander, and your concerns are my concerns. When I go into the community and talk with my constituents, I hear you. I too am concerned about the lack of lighting in our community. I too am concerned about our school system and how it's failing our children. I'm a parent with children and grandchildren that are enrolled in Romulus Community Schools, and I'm committed to working with Mayor Burcroft and my fellow council members to ensure we appoint the right people to our school board. My grandson came to me not too long ago, and he said, "Gigi, what do you do at work?" I said, "Well, it's my job to fairly and actively represent the interests of the citizens of Romulus." He said, "Gigi, am I a citizen of Romulus?" I said, "You certainly are, Pinochle. Do you have any interest that needs to be addressed?" He said, "Yes, I do." I said, "Well, tell me about them." He said, "I need you to help me get a better teacher that helped me learn better." I said, "What do you mean?" And he said, "Well, when I tell my teacher that I don't understand, she says, 'Ashton, go sit down.'" I thought about that, and he's right. I wish he had mentioned this to me earlier, at the beginning of my term as councilwoman. But after talking with him, I began to research this. And I found that in Romulus, our children are actually failing in science, math, and reading. Now, without our children excelling in these core subjects, they won't be able to compete with our other students in Michigan, across the country, and definitely not with students around the world. Our children's education is my top priority. I was also approached by a voter who told me she was concerned about family members running for city council at the same time. Now, I had never even thought about it being a problem until a lifelong resident brought it to my attention. As I began to think about it, I realized that this is an important issue. It can cause Romulus council members to have an unfair advantage, where each of us should have an individual vote. It brings to question the integrity of the Romulus City Council. Now, my position is an unpopular position among the city council members, but it is an important position to have. So I'm working with this voter in order to get an amendment to the Romulus City Charter so that family members cannot serve on the Romulus City Council at the same time. So I'm not a person that goes with the status quo. I'm a person of integrity, and I ask that you please re-elect me, Celeste Roscoe, to Romulus City Council so that we can get started today on making Romulus a place that others strive to imitate. Vote for me so that we can work together to make Romulus known for more than the Detroit Metro Airport. Together we can make Romulus a desirable community to live in. Thank you.